Hello and welcome to Tutorial Time with He-Man. Today we will be going over the setup process for the local settings page of our contract minting bot. Hey guys, so this will be the first page that you see after you validate your contract minting bot NFT. In order to proceed, you have to apply for a free Etherscan API key. You can do so by clicking this blue link here, which will take you to this page with all of the directions needed. Basically, you have to create an account, after which you can click on your account dashboard, which looks like this. You need to go down to API keys, then add and copy this code right here, which is your API key. And you go back to your bot and paste that in right here and click save. Updated successfully. Also, if you have access to a private node, you can enter in that URL right here in this field. Just note that depending on the browser you're using, most of the nodes have different URL for each browser. So make sure you are reading the documentation provided by your node provider and filling in the correct link. After that, click Save. On a side note, if you are on this page and you don't see this menu button, that means you have not entered in your API key. So please make sure you do that. It's a very common mistake. People get worried because they don't see this button here that allows them to access the different features here. Alright, after this, after you've entered your API key and your private node URL, if you have one, completely optional, just make sure it's saved and you can continue on to the next pages.